Now, how did you access the market when you guys started?
So we started selling, buying from farmers and selling. So we became resellers of chickens and eggs. And that's how we created our own market. So once we saw that there's a market, we then decided to grow our own chickens. So by the time we started growing chickens, we already had a market in place. And also, now we very bubbly and very outspoken. So any opportunity we get, we tell people about our business. We print flyers and pamphlets, and we go to different places and we hand them out. So we understand customers will not come to us, so therefore we go to customers to get or create that market.
Okay, well, now I don't believe in this thing. Marketing daily before it's entire product and all this kind of thing. I don't believe in that.
Some people that advise you to have market before you can plant.
Producer as a product. So now for now, I do, and then I go sell. I make sure I get the market. Okay. So can you go? That's a bit more to go on. I go to cabbage and wash up and pay. You go to so can you go to work from Nana? I don't know. Kishop I get direct. Ita na bile I get to like it for so. I bile go let's say cabbage guys.